I used the fuel nailer framing with some engineered lumber, and it worked just as well as a pneumatic gun. I was impressed.
With the Milwaukee nailer, I've noticed the power is significant. It penetrates the engineered lumber great, not having to come back through and hammer it down, one shot and done.
I did some half-inch sheeting on some LSL and I had no problem driving them. Even when I sped up my nailing, I had no problem keeping consistency.
Efficiency is the name of the game, and I think the fuel nailer, having the bump fire mode is a huge help.
As a framer, we're shooting racks upon racks upon racks of nails, and I'm not having jams, I'm not dealing with that issue. The Milwaukee is the fastest cordless nailer I've used.
You can simply just slap a battery on and just blast away.
With other cordless framing nailers, sometimes you can't tell if the gas is empty or not. Then you gotta drop the tool and go find another cartridge wherever it may be.
Gas cartridges are a lot slower. They have to kind of wind up.
I don't need to change the gas cartridge. All I have to do is change the battery.
It's nice that with the Milwaukee nailer you can get the extended magazine. I can load 2 racks of nails in there. It's saving seconds on the day, which saves hours on the week.
I think the Milwaukee fuel nailer is engineered for professionals. The quality of the gun is made for a job site.
It was the first one that I really felt could actually compete with the pneumatic nailer. That was really exciting to see.
The adjustability of the depth, the power, the bump fire definitely makes me more efficient.
I like everything about it. I think Milwaukee's nailed all the really important parts about a product like that.